Hi, welcome back to Keeping Up with the Queen. Today, I am so excited about this video because I literally don't know what's about to happen. Today, we are going to unbox, get ready with me, and review all the products from my Colourpop mystery box. It arrived yesterday, but I was trying to calm myself down from the excitement and wait until now to sit down and open it. One is the 29 US dollars one is a $50 one, and one is even bigger. And the values in here is supposed to be a lot of product and it's worth way more than the value for this box. Yes, I got the smallest box, but I already have enough makeup to last my entire life, so I do not need the bigger box. I wanted to try out more Colourpop products, but they release so much. I don't even know what to pick, from their line, so let's do that today. Before we begin, I would like to give a shout out to my wonderful viewers, my friends on YouTube from my previous video, whether I need to get the new retro palette from Natasha Denona. It was really fun to make that video, to swatch all of my Natasha Denona palette to decide to see if I can dupe the entire palette. Some of you are really sweet in the comment section. Thank you so much. It makes me very happy and it motivates me to create better and more videos for you so that we can spend time in this space together. I have been rambling on enough. Let's move on to the main event. I would expect to have some kind of complexion product. I would like an eyeshadow palette. I would like to try out their lip product or an eye pencil. That's my expectation. What about you? Sound off in the comment section below before we open this together. Ooh, I'm grabbing the first thing, lippy sticks in the color Who Run This. I haven't tried. This is like a terracotta shade. I'm so excited to try it, and of course we're gonna do swatch and try on later. That was a great start. I see another lippy here. The packaging looks like this. This is in the shade Doozy 20F4, more pink tone, while this one clearly has more orange in it. So I'm glad that they're different. Oh, this is Fourth Ray Beauty. A skincare product. Wow, it's a turmeric serum loaded with antioxidant rich phytonutrients like curcumin to deliver multiple skin enhancing benefit for a radiant complexion that's bright and glowing. Some kind of blush. Animal Crossing Colourpop What a Hoot palette. It's an eyeshadow. It's what I wanted. Oh, look how cute it is. That's pretty. One shimmer, two mattes, and one like pressed glitter or foil. I think it's a pressed glitter. Yeah, we'll talk about that in a little bit. Now I see another. Oh, it's a defining mascara. Act Natural. Color black. Doesn't say that it's waterproof or anything. Well, cool. Ooh, this is the Jelly Much Shadow. Saguaro. Learn to open an eyeshadow. Oh, I just opened it in the wrong way. Looks like this. Not as jelly as I expect, but it's a beautiful shade. Oh, Super Shock Blush. Pearlized, not paralyzed. Ooh. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 7 products in this box, and they all look very exciting. So let's zoom you in and we're all gonna try them together. First of all, I will show you the turmeric one. Yeah, I wish I didn't wear any foundation, but I have a light layer of my Light Wonder foundation from Charlotte Tilbury, so it doesn't have a fragrance. It has a slight scent to it, but it's a watery, thinner kind of serum, and it definitely has a glow. I am so excited to keep using this, and I will do a thorough review of this product very soon. Today is more of a first impression, and skincare is something that takes time. This is the only blush. Oh my god, it's so buttery smooth. It has a glow to it. This can be a beautiful eyeshadow also. Pinkish, but it has a little bit of burgundy in it. Bronzy particles of glitters. That's beautiful. So yes, it makes sense that we are going to base everything on it. And the texture of this, I don't know if you're familiar with a Super Shock formula from Colourpop. They are very soft. Jelly Much Shadow. Oh chunky glitters in it, and this is clearly a peachy shade. It's a duochrome, you guys. It has like that gold, see, and then it flip onto a peach. What a hoot palette. Let's swatch it. So this first shade, Meteor Shower, is a dry glitter. It's very dry feeling. The second shade is Celestial, and it looks like a matte with glitter, all a flutter. I think it's a traditional shimmer. Ooh, oh my god, that's so cute. It's a matte. Wow. Oh my god, what a great box so far. This shade definitely go well with the blush. Ultra Blotted Lip in the shade Doozy. Let's swatch it. Oh my god. It's a liquid lipstick kind of texture, but it's not full on pigmented. Oh, so it makes sense. It's a blotted kind of formula. It turns into that moussey texture, similar to the Lip Souffle by Rare Beauty as well. And now we have the lippy sticks in the shade Who Run This? Me. That's so pretty. Wow, it's intense, you guys. Yep, I can smudge it. With lip product, I like to smudge them out, create more of like a faded gradient lip effect more than full-on application. I think I figured out what to do. Let's do the blush first. With blush, you blend it out on your skin rather than having it super pigmented, so maybe it will change color. I want to do a more effortless and natural look today. I don't want to go too crazy with it. This blush is pigmented. It has the ability to go really deep. It's buildable also. Eyeshadow brush, I'm gonna grab that and use it as a transition shade for the eye, just so that we marry the look together. Do a little bit on the outer corner of the lower lash line and kind of blend it outward. I'm kind of scared because this shade is really pigmented, this brush, and we're going to intensify the outer corner of my upper lash line as well as the lower lash line. But yep, that is some pigment for sure. Lower lash line. The camera wasn't recording, but I was using a pencil brush to dip into this Meteor Shower and put it on my eye. This is a pressed glitter formula, so if you have sensitive eyes, you shouldn't use it because it's not intended technically for eye use. But after using it from the Wild Child palette and this palette, I really am in love with it. Look how beautiful that is. It's so pretty. I'm having too much fun, you guys. Let's see how it works. It's pretty large, so I imagine it's going to be pretty volumizing, but let's compare. So this side has the mascara, this side doesn't. It's extremely natural. It adds a little bit of volume, a little bit of color. The name kind of makes sense. It's like act natural, so it's supposed to be natural. Okay, we can work with that. I like that. The last piece of this look is going to be the lip. Now, I was trying to clean off my hand after the swatches and this blotted lip stained it, so I want to use it. Let's start slow and work our way out from the center of the lip. Why is everything so pretty? It's not exactly like a moussey or lip souffle kind of a formula like I initially guessed. It's a mix between that formula and a lip stain. This is the finished look. What do you think? Let me know below in the comment section, but I really am impressed. Now let's wrap this video up and we will get on our merry ways. I want to tell you the value of each product and the total value. So the turmeric brightening serum boost is retailing for $12. The Act Natural mascara is $9. Water Hoot eyeshadow palette is $12. The Jelly Much eyeshadow is $9. Super Shock blush $9. Lippy stick $7. And the blotted lip $8. So the total value of this whole box is $66. The value is about twice as much as what you pay for the box. Obviously, I haven't tried out this serum yet, or I haven't put this Jelly Much eyeshadow on my actual eye yet. But the rest of the product I have put on my face. I'm extremely impressed with the blotted lip formula since it stained my hand so much. I love lip stain, so this is definitely something I will put into my regular rotation of lipstick. This lippy stick is a beautiful shade. I like the blush. I like the Jelly Much eyeshadow. This one, I don't know yet. The eyeshadow palette seems to be very amazing, pigmented, beautiful. The only thing I don't really enjoy is this mascara. I just think it's too natural, but there are going to be days when this will come in handy. Like when I want a super natural look and I don't want people to know I'm wearing mascara, this will be great. What do you guys think of this box? For me, I think it's a win. They're all super easy to use. It's a great range of products, and I can't imagine how good the bigger two boxes are going to be. It's gonna be crazy. That's it for this video. I hope you enjoy it. I hope you find it helpful. If you do, please make sure to like this video, subscribe to my channel, click on that bell notification button, and check out my description box to see similar videos, links to my social medias, and whatnot. I hope you have a great one, and I will see you in my next video. Until next time, let the mirror shine into your soul. Don't flop.